one more. Okay, so what you see, it's a way for you to find the determinant in an easy way. Okay, so instead of going to use that other method, you could use this one. You just copy them, you put them here. So you just copy those two first row, you put them there, and then after you've done that, you just go ahead and solve. Okay, so it's gonna be, we'll go like this. You just pair them, those three together, those other three together, you pair them like this, and then you do also pair them in this way. Okay, so that's why you see 8 times 2, that's what you see. 8 times 2 times 9, that's what you see there. Okay, negative 5, what you see there. So let me just maybe use a different color so then you can see. So it's gonna be 5 times negative 2 times 9. 5 times negative 2 times 9. 3 times 2, 3 times 2 times 9, that's what you see here. So like multiplying them like this together, and then we add them. So it's gonna be 8 times 2 times 9, that's what you see here. Negative 5 times negative 2 times 9, that's what you see here. 3 times negative 3 times 2 times 9, that's what you see here. And then we add them together. Okay, we keep them into one bracket. Okay, now we move to the second block, but remember there is a negative sign here. That's why you see we have negative here in between. Okay, and then we're going to open another bracket. Okay, and maybe I can go with this color. So this is a second bracket. Then we go up. When you go up, there's a negative sign that you need to consider. So it's gonna be something like, it's gonna be 9 times 2 times negative 3. We move on here. 9 times negative 2 times negative 8. That's what you see here. And this one, 9 times 2 times negative 8, negative 3, that's 1. Okay, and then we have 9 times 2 times negative 5, that's this one. So if you add them together, you will get this. This is for the first block, that's what you see here. Okay, and for the other block, that's what you see here. And then we work it out, and that's how we are able to find this determinant that you see there. So this is just another way for you to solve if you don't feel comfortable using this other. So if you don't feel comfortable about using this method to find I made this method to find the determinant. You can see there's we got this method that we used before. So you can use, either you use the method that you see here, or either you use those other methods. That maybe use this one, or use the other one, or maybe use this one since we're using a matrix type 3 times 3. So you can maybe use this method that you see here.